Hi folks, it's John from lastchanceautostore.com. This is going to be an introductory, just a basic intro on a car we've just picked up for a customer. They're getting rarer and rarer to find. We're in Ontario, Canada, and the weather this morning is quite cool. So we just hauled this vehicle. We picked it up for him and just brought it to our shop. This is an upcoming project, so quite rare. It's a 1955 Chevrolet two-door station wagon. A lot of guys call these two-door wagons Nomads. Nomad is a trim level, so I'm going to try to refrain from calling it a Nomad, because every time I see one of these two-doors I just want to say, oh, there's a nice Nomad. So it started its life as a very basic car, 6-cylinder, 3 on the tree, no power steering, no power brakes. The original color was turquoise. And then it's morphed a few times in its life. So basically this is just going to show you, we've got, like, the hood is just barely on, we just got it tied down for hauling it here. It's filthy from all the terrible weather we went through to bring it home. You can see it's had some modifications done to the front, kind of a homemade version of the lower front clip. We're probably going to remove that. It looks like it's going to be bolted on, some of it, so we'll remove that. It's probably going to be more of a stock look. More of a Resto Mod, I believe. We'll probably do a fuel injected engine and so on, seeing it's not numbers matching. You can see it's probably difficult because of the dirt and the overcast, and then being satin black, where anytime they spray black over top, it's just hiding a lot of stuff. You can see there was a patch that was kind of very rough put in. We've got another door, a replacement door for it. This is typical rust here, and we have the replacement panel. So over the years there's been a few patches done here and there, but the bones look to be very solid. The side panels are in decent shape, other than this front half of the quarter panel on this passenger side. But this is going to be an excellent candidate, because what we're going to do is we're going to itemize all the parts, because this is obviously a basket case. We've got a bunch of bits inside, and there's boxes of pieces that came with it. It's been in the back of a building for about 15 years, I think he had said. It's been painted a few times. It was yellow, flat black, it was a dark green, and I believe the original color is turquoise. So the back, there's two different doors on these. This is the one-piece door where the tailgate and the frame is all one unit, and then they have the other style, which has the two-piece, where it's like a tailgate that folds down. Right now it has I think it's a small block Chev with a 400 automatic, the original 6-cylinder rear end. So it's obviously going to need to be tweaked and have some improvements done. Once again, I apologize, because it's just all the road grime. We went through some really bad weather getting here, and but we just wanted to kind of show you, this is an upcoming. These cars are getting very, very rare to find, and the bones look to be quite good. And then when we go to do the build on this, the disassembly, we'll do a bunch of videos and share with you the progress and what to look for. Because eventually what's going to happen is the body, we'll take the front clip off, and the doors, the tailgate, we'll set the body on a rotisserie, and then we'll have the frame on another rotisserie, and it'll be a total ground-up restoration. And then I guess we'll call it a Resto Mod. We'll be upgrading brake, suspension, driveline, but a very stock in terms of appearance looking, because these cars are gorgeous in terms of body style, in my opinion, and the interiors on them are phenomenal. So we're going to keep it pretty stock looking, but just more modern driveline, brake, steering. And as we come up the driver's side, you can see we've got oddball size tires. They're a little bit wider in the back. There's scrubbing on the wheel wells. We're probably going to do some tub work in the back, and then play with the offset of the wheels when it becomes a Resto Mod. You don't want to play with the outside of the body too much. But it's all there. It's we got hopefully all of the trim, or most of the trim, and we'll take care of the front end. It'll have chrome bumpers again and all that kind of fun stuff. So just kind of a very basic intro, kind of crude because of the weather and the trip coming back home. But this is a 1955 Chevrolet two-door station wagon, and I'm John from lastchanceautostore.com.